Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. Australia's Consumer Price Index at 1:30 GMT. Japan's housing starts at 5 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 5 GMT. Spain's current account balance at 8 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
US President Donald Trump will soften the blow of his auto tariffs through an executive order mixing credits with relief from other levies on parts and materials after automakers pressed their case with the administration. Gold fell nearly 1% as signals of easing US-China trade tensions reduced some safe haven demand, while investors braced for key economic data this week to gauge the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. The United States exchange Nasdaq has asked regulators for permission to list a 21 shares exchange-traded fund holding the popular meme coin Dogecoin, regulatory filings show. Nasdaq must gain approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission before it can list and trade the fund.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.